Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to reset Panasonic RB-M600B headphones. So first step is to put them into pairing mode. You just need to push and hold the power button for a few seconds until you hear a pairing notification and see the LED blinking blue and red. Now our headphones prepared to reset. You just need to push plus and minus buttons together. After a few seconds you will hear beeping, and that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Bye.